Please include in the agenda for the next meeting my request to present to the Council the threats to my person, the OVP institution, and its personnel. As a member of the National Security Council, based on EO 115, December 24, 1986, I do not recall receiving a single notice of meeting since 30 June 2022.
Kayo ho ba mga kababayan, pag naramdaman mo na yung pamilya po ng ating Vice Presidente at yung samahan po nila, pag naramdaman mo na nakahilig po o nakaganon o nakadantay sa China, iimbitahan mo pa iimbitahan mo pa ba yun?